FDD2. Today I'll be making some slime. I have glow-in-the-dark slime and metallic glue slime. Here are the ingredients you need to make it. A bowl, a spoon, slime, and contact solution. Let's just go ahead and get started. Today I'm gonna be doing the metallic glue. First, I like to be using the Elmer's glue bottles because it has just the right amount of glue inside. Then you just squirt the glue out. It's tough. Okay. Let's put the cap back on in case any glue drips out. Then, in case there's any chunks in your glue, you want to take your spoon and kind of mix it around just in case there's any chunks. Doesn't look like there's any chunks in here, so. Then what you want to do, you want to put about 5 drops of the contact solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that should do it. And then you're going to start mixing your slime. It's going to take a while for your slime to kind of get together and stop sticking to the bowl. As you can see, it's sticking to the bowl. And what the contact solution does, it makes it less sticky, and as you stir it, the slime will eventually get less sticky and come off the bowl. And then once it gets off the bowl, you would be able to mix it with your hands. Ew, kind of looks like brain melted. This is gonna take a while. Here's a tip. If you do not have so much glue, you should not make slime in such a big bowl. And if you were using not Elmer's glue like I did, how much glue you put into the bowl is how much slime you want. So basically, pretend the glue is the slime. How much slime do you want? Put the amount of glue in your bowl. If you want a tiny bit, get a smaller bowl. If you want a lot, get a bigger bowl like I do. Even though I have a lot. Do you hear that popping? You breathing or something? I think you need a couple more drops. I'll just put 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, this is really metallic. You guys can see it like shines, it shines like in the light. It's a tiny bit glittery too. Starting to get into slime. This is giving a workout for my arm. You guys want to work out for your arm? Make slime. Slime is tougher than it looks. I've normally just used one of those huge gallon, like clear glues, or sometimes it's a colored glue. I normally just used clear. It's a huge gallon of Elmer's glue, and then I just pour how much slime I want into it, and I make it by that, and then I add food coloring, which it gives it its color, and then I have a lot of glitter, so I can pick colors of glitter if I want glitter in it. I have some shapes of glitter. I have those little bits of confetti that you get in your like basket for in like your Easter basket, like in your Easter basket. Look at that. Ooh, it's still sticky. It feels so weird. I think I need like. So here is the finished product, and once you make the slime, there's not really anything you have to do to make it slime anymore. You can do anything you would like with it. You can make bubbles with it. I absolutely think this is so fun. Please like and subscribe this video and show me any slimes that you guys make. Bye!